Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Ferrari Testarossa. I personally like this car. So if you know Kavinsky, he actually drives this car. So just do a Google search who he is, you will know. So his music is really good. So if you are night riders, more specifically, if you drive at the night times, he specifically, does music for nighttime drivers, so or night riders you can say. So just try hearing his music, you can thank me later. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. I'm genuinely curious on this casting because after a long search I actually got this one, I think a couple of months back, but I totally forgot that I got this. Okay, so one more thing is this is Tomica premium, this is not mainline. So I was expecting some detailing to it, but let's see. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks really nice, looks really beautiful. Don't know if it is dust or paint bubble, like it has a little bit of paint bubbling here. And okay, so the interior looks really nice. So again, yours might not have this paint bubble, so just saying. And it has headlight details. We will come to that in a minute. And so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic, and the chassis has really nice detailing to it, which is really good. Look, actually, it actually looks really great. Okay, it has exhaust details here, which is really nice. You can see the prancing horse logo here. See the Testarossa written here and the Ferrari logo here. And overall, it looks really nice. Okay, this is okay. So this is not openable, but let me show you something. Yeah, here it is. So it has pop-up headlights, which is really cool. Tomica does this really well, and it closes like this. Let me show you in this way. This is fully open and fully close. That is really cool if you ask me. And the rims are pretty unique to this particular casting. So yeah, so since if once you go to premium range, the rims actually changes as per the car, as per the actual car I'm talking about. You can see the vents here, that actually looks really nice. It does have nice detailing to it everywhere. Okay, let's do a suspension test. Yeah, it does have a suspension. There are very handful of Tomicas which doesn't have any suspension. Okay, one more thing is, see, mine actually has some scratches, actually a lot of scratches on the windshield. This is actually new for me when it comes to premium, because I unboxed a lot of premium so far. Like 99% of those cars never had this much of issue on the windshield. So this one actually has a lot. Okay, maybe bad luck, I guess. 36 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it rolls good. It does have wheel wobble on the rear wheel. Okay, it does have wheel wobble on the front wheel also. Okay, but apart from that, I'm not seeing any issue with the car. So okay, let's rate this car now. So for the wheel wobble, I'm just taking 0.5. That's it, 9.5 out of 10, because rest everything looks really nice. Every detailing looks really perfect. Again, yours might not have the scratches and everything, so unfortunately mine does. So yeah, so for the Ferrari lovers, please go ahead and get this one. Again, don't buy Hot Wheels for 1,000 rupees, that to a main line. Instead, buy this one. It has literally everything you want. I'm not sure why people are actually going for Hot Wheels every time. So when these kind of brands exist. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.